beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful, lovely, bouncy, curly wig. So without much talking, let's so that you have a very nice finish when you are done crocheting your nets. And this is how the finished look of the wig. The wig came out beautifully. It was really nice. I rocked this hair, girl. It looked so flattering on me. And if you are like me that you don't like a center part, I don't really like center part. I don't wear center part that much. I went ahead to change it to a side part and I rocked the hell out of this wig. I think the side part suits me more. What do you think? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you like a center part or you like side part? For me, as I've said, any day anytime I prefer a side part to a center part. It just fits the shape of my face. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I've learned one or two things from it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much once again, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day.